As a woodland photographer, I've always been quite keen to try these diffusion filters. K&F get in contact with me a couple of weeks back and they've asked if I wanted to review their black diffusion filter. So I just jumped at the chance because of course I do woodland photography. I thought it'd be quite nice just to give it a try, see how it fares. So this video is going to be me out in the field trying this filter, and is it worth it? Let's see. Hi, good evening guys, thanks for watching Paul Cunningham's woodland photography. So I'm just going to start the video off at home. There's a reason for that. I was contacted by K&F Filters, K&F Concept, better known as, or Kentfaith. So I got a contact with a lady called Wendy asking me to trial one of their filters, and it's the Black Diffusion filter. You've probably seen quite a lot of different manufacturers do them. I believe Case calls the Black Mist filter. This one is a good affordable price for quality. That's what I liked about it. When they reached out to me, I thought, why not? Because K&F have got like quality within a good budget price. And when I say budget price, I'm not saying they're cheap, but they're affordable prices at quality products. And this product itself, I'm going to put it out on its test and give it a try and see what it's like. Just talking about the layer coatings of it. After optical grinding, the glass filter is coated with a high-tech film. It is waterproof, which you'll find out. Scratch resistant and oil proof. It has the characteristics of hard scraping without any influence, of course, on the image quality. And even if it is contaminated with water droplets or oil, which can be easily removed when cleaned as well. So the first thing we'll test on is this Christmas tree. We'll all see more trees later, but you watch here how soft it goes here. And just taking the filter away again. You see it's a bit more detail. So it just kind of diffuses the light. So this K&F Concept Black Soft Pro Mist Quarter filter works very well in portrait photography. It can soften the wrinkles on people's faces, etc. as well. So it's quite a useful tool to have in your bag. Hi, good morning guys, welcome to Paul Cunningham's woodland photography. We're here actually today to photograph a group of trees that I photographed before in the summer, in the autumn, and now in the winter. So I'm just going to set my camera.
Mister, you forgot your filter.
Hello?
You forgot your filter. Oi, you. The filter you're supposed to do a review on, mister.
Can't hear you.
Filter. I've got it here. I've got the filter.
Right, what?
Huh?
Oh, thanks for the Mr. Squirrel.
Me?
Sorry?
You're silly, man. It's
Ceramic squirrel. Oh,
Squirrel.
thanks Mr. Ceramic.
Squirrel, you daffy.
Oh, thanks Mr. Ceramic Squirrel. We're going to test this, as we mentioned earlier, and see how it works, see how it fares. So just follow me to the camera. Okay, I'm just going to... There we go. Nice homemade video. Sorry about the audio quality. So this is the image we're going to go for. I have shot this before, and it was pretty much in spring this year and also summer. So this is a winter shot. So what I'm going to do is just go for these trees, the three trees together. I called this image the huddle last time. Today I'm going to call it the winter huddle. Anyway, so we've got an oak tree right in the centre there, and the other two trees, which I think, I'm not sure what the one at the nearest to the right hand side is, but I think the other two are oak. So I have put the filter on it, This is the K&F Black Diffuser filter, which is fitted on. One thing you can notice straight away is how soft it looks, especially the background. Now there's no mist, and you've seen it, but it seems to have given that kind of effect, like there's kind of like a soft kind of mist in the background. So it does kind of work in a way that it makes it more ethereal, the look of the actual image. So this is one of the things that attracted me to try this. I have seen other photographers try it with other types of manufacturer filters, etc. So yeah, must say K&F filter doesn't, well, their filter itself, the Black Diffusion one, doesn't disappoint, and it is an affordable price. At the end of the video I'll tell you more about it, regards to you can get 17% off if you actually click on the link below the video. So we're going to take this shot and let's see how it fares, and we'll take it from there. Right, so we're just going to try this composition here. It is a bit rainy, so it's a bit awkward to film this, but I'm doing my best here. Let's shoot this image here. It's just this tree here. So I call it as a frame filler. I quite like shots like this. Birch trees in the background gives it a bit more depth to the image. So we're going to try this with the filter on again. As you see, it looks quite, not hard and brush or whatever, but it can do a bit of softening. Now, the K&F filter might help me with this. So let's see, get a try and see how it fares. So what's my verdict on this filter? I've said to give it a thumbs up. It's certainly a tool you need in your bag, especially this time of year in winter, when you get a lot of harsh sun and a lot of brittle trees. It softens it up. It gives it a little more softer look to it. I would say give it a go. There is a lot other ones in the market, but K&F concepts are pretty much at affordable prices, and for the quality you get with this product, I would say don't waste your money on other ones. Try this. I've been given this by K&F to try, and I'm going to keep it. I think it's a good little filter. Certainly I'll be using it on my jaunt, my photography jaunts. I'm going to give you descriptions of this, and there's also down below the video there's going to be a link to actually get 17% off, and that's any of the products of K&F, and they've got a January sale coming up. So guys, have a look at this, discover it yourself, watch other videos on YouTube about it as well. But I will say this, it's definitely a starter for me. 17% off. Go below the video and click onto the link, and of course you'll get that for even a more affordable price than they are. Thanks again. Cheery bye.